so is it already broken? No, it's already like that. Alright, so we got this phone. Works and everything. You can see that? No, don't call a number, thank you. Hey, it has data. What? 1X.
What is it doing?
Call me.
Oh, it's shutting down. No, it's not.
I'll go. We're gonna try a quick hot test. Just a little dunk in the hot tub. Alright, here it goes. Boop.
It's obviously gonna be fine. Press the button.
Looks like. There we go.
Does that? I don't know why.
Alright. Whoops. Dang it.
Hi, how are you? Wait, I gotta get them. Oh no!
No!
My phone!
That was the.
Oh no!
The back popped up.
Hey, are you coming to my party tonight? Yeah, there's gonna be a pool, a friggin' hot tub. Hold on, wait, I gotta get something. Oh no, the phone! No. Whoa, are you okay? Are you okay? Press and hold for camera. Are you okay?
Try it off.
Hello? Are you there?
Oh, I think you lost your call.
Wait, it's going wacky. Hold on. One more time for good measure. Hello, Mom. You know, I sort of failed my regions. This was gonna be on purpose, guys. Wait, what'd you say? Oh, sorry, Mom. Let me hang up on her. Where'd she go?
She's right there.
Oh, here we go.
Hey, Mom.
Mom, sorry, my phone got water damage. I'll call you later. Yo, it's lost service though. It's searching for service.
Well, we lost our service.
But it might just be because it's not activated.
I'm done. Stupid phone. Guys, we're. Alright, so.
I'm gonna do some more water tests, guys. Mom, I have some bad news to tell you. Goodbye. Oh no, where'd it go? No, seriously, where did it go? Pause it.
Alright, let me see this thing.
I was under there for a good 30 seconds, right?
Well, guys, phone is charging.
Here, let's play some toss with it.
And let me show you in the dark so you can see that I'm not lying. You can't see it. But yes, this phone is charging. So that's good. Oh!
Oh no!
Oh, I dropped it.
Wait, my mom is still on the line, you know.
Mom!
Mom, are you there? No? Okay.
Oh!
I did not.
No!
Come on, guys.
Here, let me try.
I can't find it again.
Let me see if I can hold on to it. Good.
Let me find it first. Yo!
Where is it?
Shh, don't move the water. Well, that's really my problem. You're gonna see something black. Ah, right here.
Let me see if I can hold on to it. Whoa! Dang it!
Yo, I wish that we had like a smartphone.
Oh, I cracked my screen! Oh, I cracked my screen! Dang it! I can't hold on to it.
Here, I'll hold on to it for you.
Let me see if it still works. Aww.
Here, let me hold on to it for
Water
you.
got on the inside.
Here, I know how to dry it off. Right, like this. Oh no!
No! That really did dry it off.
No, it's going to the deep end. I ain't going there.
So guys, we had to heat up the phone. It was kind of cold.
Let's see if you turn on. I don't see any signs of turning on. Let's see. Here, I gotta whoopsies.
Here, just put it.
I gotta open it up. That's not
Here, I'll open it up. It's my opening tool. Oh. My handy dandy opening tool.
Wait, we never did that.
A handy dandy opening tool worked. Well, here's the result. It's done. Goodbye. Well, here it is. Well, if you can see, I cracked it. It's a very big crack on it. Half the screen and the LCD shot. I had it in my shirt like this, cleaning it, the other phone, and then dropped it.